as members of your cabinet, in whom you have bestowed so much trust and confidence, we are wondering, can we not bridge the gap between Omoji and Oboduku?
I totally agree with Prof. The way the people of Oboduku are encroaching into our land and the way they are going, this might cause a serious war.
Yes, I totally agree with you. Igwe, I trust your magnanimity and good judgment. Kudos. Kudos, Igwe.
These Oboduku people, they are really trying out my patience.
Hey! Igwe!
What is it?
Igwe, the worst has happened.
What is it?
Ogene just killed someone. Obulumadu. Ofiliefi.
What?
Yes, so Igwe. You have to come with me so that you see things with your eyes.
Yes! Igwe, follow her immediately.
Oh, yeah. Let's
go. See things for yourself and bring me what? What is actually happening? Hey. What kind of thing is this? We're talking of Oboduku people. Now we're killing somebody.
Where are you taking her?
I'll just wait.
Where are you taking her? God, I don't know where they're taking my daughter to.
Is it from this community?
No, Igwe. I don't think I have ever set eyes on this entity before. I don't think he's from.
Igwe, I think he's from our neighboring community.
In that case, let's send a message to them immediately.
Igwe, if he's not from our community, then we should find out what he was doing rigmaroling in our community that led to his demise. Besides, my niece here, little as she is, could not have killed this man. She is not a murderer. But Igwe, my medulla tells me that the right thing to do is to give her a chance to defend herself. Yes.
Okay.
Igwe.
Can you tell us what actually happened?
Igwe, I can't do that. Igwe, I'm innocent. Nneka, please, for the sake of God Almighty, Nneka, say the truth. Tell Igwe how you killed him. Igwe, come to go to the grave. I did not kill him.
I believe you. I believe you.
You know me, Etike. I'm not capable of
me too, I know you. Okay, I know you too well. Remember, we are close. I know what you can do.
Tell Igwe how you killed him now.
Igwe, thank God I saw her. If not, she would have denied it. As I was passing, I saw Ogene here, hitting this innocent man, hitting him to death. She was killing him. Igwe, I saw her. Ogene, and immediately I screamed, Ogene, what are you doing? She took to her heels. She was running. Then I said, Ogene, come back here. Ogene, come back here. You just killed the man. Ogene, just killed the man. Because she did not answer me. She did not turn back. Ogene, why?
I do not believe you. Igwe, I do not believe her. She is sounding incoherent and distorted. I do not believe her.
Igwe, according to Nne, she said she was passing when she saw them. Igwe, we all know that one cannot go to Oji River alone. Please, Igwe, Ask Nneka what she was doing at Oji River Road before she saw them, as she claimed.
Igwe, you are a man of wisdom. Your judgment is final. Igwe, we all know that Oji River grows good herbs and roots. For some time now, I've been going there to pick Icheku leaves for my brother's treatment. And thank God I didn't go alone. I didn't. Belinda was there with me. If not that she's helping me prepare herbs at home, she would have been here to attest to this. Igwe, please, ask her why she will kill this innocent man, this good man. Why would Ogene kill him? Ogene, why did you kill him? Why? Ogene is a killer.
It's okay.
Oh, Igwe. Igwe is not true. God in heaven, you know she lied. God, you know she lied against me.
Enough. I've been listening to all of you and some of your corresponding testimonies. I come to this conclusion. You, Ogene, first thing tomorrow morning, you'll be taken to police station.
Let's be gone. I did not do.
Power will take his focus on you.
Igwe, but I'm innocent now.
Igwe, is that your final decision?
Yes!
God in heaven is my witness.
Lock her up.
What is up? I am begging us. Why would you do this?
The evidences are told that when the
Igwe! You don't know her.
I know her.
Ogene is more like my sister. I know what she can do. She killed him. She killed him.
This is not over yet. This is not over.
Nneka.
Ogene.
Nneka.
Do you understand?
Nneka.
I am going to release her tonight.
Wait, I want to take run am. You know, say plenty gas in that palace. I want to take run.
Are you going with me or not?
You know I'm always with you. I there with you full time, but how you want to take run am?
Okay, listen. One more thing. Huh? If anything should happen this night, promise me that you're going to look after her.
You are taking this thing too serious. But nothing is going to happen to you. Yes, you even know say Ogene na my person before you begin enter her. Now my girl before you begin enter her. So nothing is going to happen to you. Yes.
See, Nameka, I relate with you. Ejike, I have a plan. You know I promised Ogene's mother I must bring her tonight. And I will do it for that woman.
It's called do for love. It's called do for love.
Now listen, let me tell you the plan. Oh. Do you understand? Yes. Let's go. Come, let's go. Come on, let's go. That's the plan.
Tell me, How did you say it happened?
Igwe, I heard a sound. And I went to check what that was. Igwe, when I came back, I didn't see her again.
You heard a sound?
Yes.
And you went. How come you left your position without seeking for a replacement? And you, what is that you're holding in your hand?
Igwe, Your Majesty, I found this when I woke up from sleep, and I don't know who kept it. Your Majesty.
Igwe, can I say it?
Yes. Okay, let me guess.
That's right.
You want to take me to Dubai?
Hey! Stop!
Okay, let me think. I told you I don't like guessing. Okay. Oh, wait, okay. You bought keke for me.
Me?
I purchased.
I did not buy.
I didn't get it. Okay, I cannot guess now. I cannot guess. I don't know. I should close my eyes.
Oh. Maybe close your eyes.
Okay. Closing it.
I hope you're not seeing anything. Look, see. Baby, I saw it and I bought it for you because I know you will like it.
I love it. Hey! How did you know that I like Jamaica things? You got Jamaica? Hey! Wonderful. Hey, I love this.
It's fine on you.
What a one! Hey! I'm a rude boy. I love it. Oh, thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Oh! Thank you. Oh, I love it. How you have money kozikita?
ECOWAS. I think I know who took her away.
And who may that be, if I may ask?
It's Udo. I'm sure he's the one.
Udo? Yes. Are you really sure of what you're saying?
Yes. I've seen this bead on his neck before. Where is Udo?
It's alright. Guards, go with her immediately to Udo's house and bring him to me now. Go. Ladies and gentlemen of the place, sit down. Let's wait patiently and see how this whole thing unfolds. Eh?
Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hey, what kind of thing is this? Udo. Hi.
Please, can't you forgive?
Are you people, you're seeing that black gate there? You can see it now.
Yes.
That is Udo's house. Oh, when you go there, you grab him.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Are
you not coming with us?
Me? No, I cannot come with you people because I don't want him to see me leading you people to his house. Oh my God. And just go. Oh.
She's right. She has a point. Don't worry. Let's go.
Be very smart, or you know he's a brave man. Eh?
I am so glad that you finally made it last night.
I did tell you, that plan goes well.
Yes, it is. But the problem now is that I don't know when and how to see her because everybody's eyes will be on us and the family.
Yes, you're right. You're right. What are you looking for?
Udo, the Igwe demands your presence now.
I'll see you. It's okay, it's okay. You remember what I told you? Yes. Let's go.
That was how it happened. Nobody believed me, Mama, including the Igwe. They all wanted me dead for something I didn't do. Mama, I swear to God, I am innocent. I am innocent, Mama. I did not do it. God in heaven knows. God knows I did not do it. Mama, I did not.
Okay, my daughter. I know you did not do it, but don't worry. Very soon, everything will be fine by the grace of God. Listen, you are safe with me here. No one will dare come here to look for you. Huh? Thank you. You can stay here with me.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you for saving my life. Thank you for saving my life, Mama. I don't know what I would have done without you. God knows I'm innocent. I did not kill anyone. I did not kill anyone. I don't know.
I know.
I don't know what I've done to deserve you.
I cannot feel.
Please forgive my life, Mama. Please forgive me. What have I done to the person? What have I done to the person?
Fine, no? But this is too much. It's too much. I don't know what to do again.
Sorry. Uju, don't worry, Mama is going to be fine. But this is too much.
I don't know what to do again. She has been taking her drugs, but the thing is not working. Instead, she's getting worse every day.
Don't worry. Eh? What do you want, Ma? Hey, Mama. Mama, it's okay, it's okay.
She has been taking her drugs, so, but the thing is not working.
It's okay, Mama.
Ma.
Anesthesia, Ejike. I don't bring my daughter.
Mama.
I don't know.
Don't worry.
I don't know how I'm feeling.
Don't worry. I will tell them to bring her. I will tell them to bring her. I promise.
It's okay.
Mama, it's okay. I'm just tired. It's just me and my mother. It's just me. I'm tired.
Oh, God, it's okay. Everything is going to be fine. Just take good care of Mama, eh? Don't worry yourself. I'll be checking from time to time. Eh?
Thank you for coming.
Everything's going to be fine. Let me be on my way. Mama, don't worry. The gods of Allah will not allow anything to happen to you. Huh? Okay. Oh God, Mama. I'll see
Any nonsense thing, she know they take up. Okay, then what someone? Any nonsense thing, she know they take up.
It's as if we saw this coming. We warned Ogene, but she wouldn't listen, stating that Neka won't hurt her. Now look at it. Would have been arrested also.
My major problem is that her mother is sick. I just hope nothing happened to that old woman, honestly.
I've never seen or heard something like this. But something in me tells me that Neka set her up and she fell for it.
Exactly. Exactly what I'm saying. It's a pure setup. There is no two ways about it. But, Chiregodo, who killed your known guy?
But he jumped, can't you know him?
Him and MTN everywhere you go.
My sister,
the highest news.
I've been mobile can learn, man. I resign to go. Happen can no bother.
Ewe idiot. Ewe idiot. Na man, I hang guy. Thank you.
Please, can't you forgive?
Udo!
Hey! Just go that side. He might be hiding.
You check him, baby.
Yes, nobody is there. You do not see him there. You did not see him. You did not see Udo. Udo, let me tell you, keep hiding. Man, I'm walking and conquer. I will get you. You think I don't know you're hiding Ogene inside that house? He's hiding Ogene inside the house. Don't worry, we will come back. And I will come back with more guys. Don't worry. Keep hiding Ogene. This has not ended, Udo. Keep hiding her. Keep hiding her, Udo.
Nigga. It may be fair. I'm not big up. Never look if I melody. I
think Ogene is innocent. I think so too.
I feel for her. Don't you girls think we should go and fetch water for the mother?
Let's go far. What do you think?
Okay. Honestly, I really miss her.
I miss them more. Let's just go and fetch water. I can't just wait to see her get in the face. The way the emotion is disturbing this family. I wonder what it will become in the next 5 minutes. Maybe we will be.
Ogene wakaraka. Any nonsense thing, she know they take up. Ogene wabusonwa. Any nonsense thing, she know they take up. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice.
Adanda, Oluchi, Susan, all the kind of fear for yours.
You know.
My sister, please forgive us. Nne, good afternoon.
My sister, this is how you remembered us. I hope you are safe.
Greetings. Mama, greetings, ma.
Oh, Mom. You are all welcome.
Thank you, ma.
Mama, how is your health?
I thank God for today that I'm alive. You can see that I'm still managing.
You'll be fine. I don't got to dig him, ma.
Okay.
Don't worry, you'll get well soon, yo.
Thank you.
Mama, Uju, we'll fetch this water for you.
Hey, whoa. Hey, whoa. Really?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, that's thoughtful of you. I really appreciate it. Would you, Ma? Please go and show them where they will pour out the water. Ona, thank you. Oh, Mama.
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her no. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, not gonna lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, not gonna lawyer for. She is bold enough. On a with the bandito. Just because she's bold enough. On a with the dealer. God is with you, but be careful.
This is Ejike's house. Look for him here.
Ejike?
He must be here. Bring them out. They are there. Nonsense. Ejike! Ejike! Eh? Nobody. You did not see even Ejike. No Udo. No Ogene. Nobody's here. Ejike? So this is your plan, Okuya? No, this is your plan. Ejike, I thought you are my friend. I thought you are my friend. So now you are hiding Udo and Ogene. Okay, no problem. I know your hideout. Down. I will look for you people one after the other. Anywhere you people are hiding, I will go there and grab all of you. Even if it's in the evil forest, I will get you. Ejike, man, where's you? Ejike, hey! Okay, no problem. I will come back. Don't worry.
Please, can't you forgive?
From my critical observation, your health is fast deteriorating. And as such, it's going from bad to worse. I think the only thing we should do now is to take you to a hospital. Do you understand?
I don't want to go to the hospital. All I need is to see my doctor, but...
Right. That is very allowed. That is allowed. You have just exhibited motherly instinct. It's allowed. I know you want to see your daughter. And wherever she is, she too wants to see you. But, nevertheless, we must address the issue at hand, which is your state of health. You are fast deteriorating. And we do not want to hear unpleasantries, do we?
I have heard what you just said.
Very good. Very good. In that case, I shall be on my way. Take it easy. Ujungwa. Take her inside and make sure you take proper care of her. I shall keep her happy.
thing, she know they take her no.
Any news? Any luck?
We have searched everywhere in this community. We've not seen any sign of Ogene.
Yes, Igwe. We did search everywhere. We did not see Ogene.
Well, you people have done well. But you have to be very, very vigilant. Ogene can run, but she cannot hide. One day, she must surface. Meanwhile, people should go and have some rest. Okay?
Igwe.
I'm innocent of all these accusations. I know I may be stubborn, but you know I didn't do it, God. I did not do it.
Yeah? And you think you're above the law? Abel, did you see what you did to that boy?
Mama, which side are you on? Eh? Which side? I'm your daughter. You don't even ask me what happened.
No matter what happened, when you saw that your sister was okay, you shouldn't have hit that boy like that. That is all I'm saying.
Mama, I'm surprised. I can't believe you're saying this.
Surprised?
Yes.
Yes, why won't you be surprised?
Mama, do you realize it could have been your own daughter?
Ogene, I'm asking, must you fight for people? Both of you are all I have left though. If you continue like this and they harm you, what will I do? The heart of men are evil. If you don't know, I don't want to lose both of you. You are my source of happiness. Biko.
I don't want anything to happen to my beloved mother, Chukubiko. Help me. Help me and protect my mother for me. I should have listened to all the warnings. Now look at me. I should have avoided all these troubles. Oh, I know I'm God. Take a quarter because I am innocent, God. I am innocent. God, I'm innocent.
We've been here for some minutes and you're not saying a word. Talk to me now.
Please, calm down. I will tell you now. I don't know how you feel. Please.
Tell me now. You know this place is not safe for me now. Let me go back. Sit down.
I know it's not safe. Just calm down now. This thing is heavy in my mouth. I don't know how to say it.
Tell me. However I take it, doesn't matter. Just tell me.
Okay, wait now. Let me tell you now. Just calm down. I don't know how you will take this. I don't know how you feel. But anyhow you feel, it's just the wish of God. Just... Okay. Your mother is dead. Please control yourself. Please calm down. Please. Just take it, please.
My dear, I have told you to relent from crying. Stop! There is no amount of tears that can bring back the dead. It's okay. I know how you feel. Come. Let's go inside.
I'm finished. My mother is dead. My mother, my beloved mother, the woman I love with my heart. My mother is dead. My mother is dead. Mama, my mother is dead. Mama, she's all I have. Mama, everything I'm doing is for my mother. My mother left I and you in this wicked world. We don't have any other person. We do not have any other person. Our life has grown. God, what have we done to deserve this? I've killed my mother, but that's the truth. My mother died because of me. I killed her. I killed her. I killed her. God, I killed her.
You did not kill her. Don't say that.
Mama, what am I going to do now? I must come back. Mama, I must come back. I don't have anything to get in this home. My mother is dead. My mother is dead. My mother is dead. God, why? God, why am I suffering like this? God, you know I'm innocent. God, you cannot forsake me like this. Oh God, what have I done? What have I done to deserve this, God? Why do I have to go through this, God? Why? God, why? God, why? Why? Get here to come and do me.
Any nonsense thing, she not the taker. Okay, then what someone? Any nonsense thing, she not the taker. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My God, I'm lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My God, I'm lawyer for. She is bold enough. Any nonsense thing, she not the taker.
Are you serious? What happened? Hey! Please, are you planning to die soon? Hey! Blender, look at this one. Remember what I told you now? This is the native fowl I was telling you about. Seriously. This one can well respect. Do you know that this girl saw me and ignored me as if I am one piece of an object that does not even exist? Even when her her runaway sister, the murderer, tries talking to her. Oh, my sister. Why? I wish we were there to see how she squeezed her face like ye were charged, as if she was used for sacrifice. Well, look at her now. Look at her. Man, look at. Is she like? Does this girl look like she have life inside her? Let God the good then and meet him.
But wait, Neki, she's not saying anything. Like, why is she keeping quiet? Are you sure she's okay?
Ah, if it's her late mother, that her lazy late mother, I will tell you she's quiet. But this one, I don't know what is her problem, and I don't get it. No. Where the my friend?
Maybe she's hungry. That's why she's like this.
You have a point there. You do. You go there. Ask her if she's hungry.
No. Are you hungry?
Come closer.
Eh? Mama, say so. Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Actually, I help the helpless. I know your mother is dead. And there is nobody to help you. Your sister, no, so she's on the run. I can actually be of help. So tell me what you want to eat, and I'll get it for you. Talk to me now. Talk now. Imagine. Imagine, I'm even asking her question and she's ignoring me. Rubbish. Hey. My own food.
My dear friend.
Don't
get yourself so worked up. Man, as for this girl, she's very lucky that I've changed. Neka one in town. Oh, I would have used it for pepper soup, but don't worry.
Adana, so you mean to tell me that Mama Ogene is dead, Udo has been arrested, and Ogene ran away as a result of this ordeal?
Yes, what is it?
Nothing. I am fine. But why won't Nneka let this particular family be? Why won't she? Well, I'm fine. I'm fine. I will see you later.
Please, can't you forgive?
This is the day we all have been waiting for. Today is a great day in this land. As we all know, the amazing dancing group that we all have been waiting for is performing today. And this same day, a maiden that comes out first will be chosen as a wife for my dear son, who has been studying abroad. Not only that, the maiden will go home with lots of gifts, and monetary reward will accompany it. Having said that, can the music start? Come. No. Kwanu. Isn't she the winner? Isn't she the winner? Good. Today, she has been chosen being the winner of this contest as the wife to my dear son. That was my initial promise. And I also said that other prizes will follow. And I hereby say that she will be given a cash prize of 300,000.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Yes, you've done well. You've done us proud.
My personal person. What is going on? You are enjoying life, oh.
You don't see her now. I did here.
Bros, well done.
You don't see us now.
See, I was going somewhere now. When I saw you, I decided to greet you. There's something I will tell you, Sha. But all later.
Which one is later again? Now tell me.
Later, give me
the thing now. One smoke. For real?
I
believe you died. She said she wants.
Correct girl. Come on.
What? Is this what you do for a living? Others are there working, doing something meaningful with their life. It took Reba and Esibo. I can't get you a Nah, guy, let me go. I have to leave now. Do you understand?
No problem. We'll see later now.
Hey, but why are you guys smoking like this now? This hot weather, no calm.
This thing, they give me inspiration. You don't go understand.
They give you inspiration?
My morale.
Morale to do what?
To hustle, man.
Nah, be keep on you, don't forget, just today, as I told you.
No,
inspiration, inspiration. Yeah, inspiration, no, inspiration, go Malawi.
Now, what kind of insult is this now?
My friend.
If not for you, what have I done to this girl, eh? Can you imagine that? For what now?
Myself, I cannot imagine, but what will I do? She be my friend. Leave her, she don't go, leave her. And my friend, I leave her. I cannot imagine too, but maybe we leave her.
She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice like honor.
Ejike, please come.
What's happening now?
Come.
I hope you're okay.
Come. No, see, I need your help now. I need money.
How much?
1,000. I need to buy drugs for my mother. She's not feeling well.
1,000. 1,000. Your mother is 1,000.
You don't have?
I don't have any money.
Which age?
No, what is it?
She said her mother is sick and she needs 1,000.
Nah, you give up now.
Ogene.
Huh?
Ogene, come.
Yeah, come.
Give her the 1,000 now.
I can't find my money.
You can't find it again. Give her the 1,000 now.
I'm telling you the truth now.
Which money are you looking for? Give her the 1,000, mister. How much is
I
that?
was having some money with me.
How much is the money?
It's 20,000 naira.
21.
And it's 200 by it's a mint.
You have 20,000 with you. Udo, I don't know.
That is not the case now. I don't know.
Is this what you're looking for?
Where did you find it?
I saw the money on the floor. And I was like, who dropped this money here? Nukega. Quick friend just said, you have to be taking it.
You have this kind of money with you.
So I just decided to pick it and come and ask you people if any of you is the owner.
Udo, so you have this kind of money with you.
Take.
And we are eating bread.
Aye.
Come now, come and take the 1K.
No, don't worry, I don't need it. Don't worry, just when I take
Give me the 1K, I'll go and give her.
Don't worry, I don't need it. Come and take the 1,000 now. I don't need it, so just wait on what they're
Give me the 1K now. You don't already scored the 1K. Give me the 1,000. Let me go and give that. Give me the 1,000. Ogene, I know your hands are clean, Ogene. I know you are innocent. Nothing will happen to you. You are somebody I can vouch for your character. I know you can't do such a thing. Yes, Ogene. I know your hands are clean, Ogene. I know your hands are clean.
Are you okay? Or in which of them? Eh?
Seriously, you look awful. Please, oh, where is your sister? Your strong sister that used to parade herself in this village like the strongest woman in the whole world. Where is she? Is she still on the run? Okay, no, so on our wow, this sister going let's slap you, eh? I won't see it.
Just let me be. I don't have strength.
Oh, this one pained me. You don't have strength. My dear, are you hungry? Hey,
now what is all this hula baloo? What is the hula baloo about? Now, what has this young, innocent girl done to you vampires that you seek to suck her blood? Now, before I close my eyes and open it, vituperate.
Hey, stop making noise, this man. See, let me tell you, it's not like we're afraid of you. But this one said, there is no blood, there is no blood. They know. Eh? You need to tell your late mother.
Keep moving.
Nonsense. Let's go.
I'm not the